Take a ride in the 2011 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.